Hello guys, hope you're doing well. I am Said and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn integration of rational fractions by partial fractions. So stay with me until the end of the video. When we wanna integrate a rational fraction, we first check whether it's a fraction of two polynomials. The main idea is simple. Break one complicated fraction into several easier fractions and then integrate each part separately. Let's work through a few examples so you can see exactly how this method works. Number 1, the integral of 1 over x times x plus 1 dx. First we look at the denominator. It has two distinct linear factors, x and x plus 1. Since the factors are linear and distinct, so each one gets a constant numerator, means a and b. So we have 1 over x times x plus 1 is a over x plus b over x plus 1, right? Now we multiply both sides by the common denominator, means x times x plus 1. This clears all the denominators and gives us a simple algebraic equations. So we have 1 times x plus 1 over x times x plus 1 is 1 equals a times x plus 1 over x plus b times x plus 1 over x plus 1, right? So we have 1 equals x and x cancels out, so we have a times x plus 1 plus x plus 1 and x plus 1 cancels out, and we have bx equals ax plus a plus bx, or 1 equals a plus b x plus a. Now match coefficients, so we have a equals 1, and here we don't have any x coefficient, so a plus b is 0. A plus b is 0 and a is 1, so b is negative 1. So we have the integral of 1 over x times x plus 1 is the integral of a over x plus b over x plus 1. So a is 1 and b is negative 1. So the integral of 1 over x times x plus 1 dx equals the integral of a over x, a is 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 dx, or the integral of dx over x minus the integral of dx over x plus 1. And as you know, the integral of du over u is ln of the absolute value of u plus c. So the integral becomes ln of the absolute value of x minus ln of the absolute value of x plus 1 plus c. Number 2, the integral of 3x plus 5 over x plus 1 times x plus 2 dx. Again, we have two distinct linear factors. So we set up as 3x plus 5 over x plus 1 times x plus 2 equals a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. Now we multiply by x plus 1 times x plus 2 because we want a linear equation that is easier to compare. So we have 3x plus 5 equals a times x plus 1 times x plus 2 is a times x plus 2 plus b times x plus 1 times x plus 2, so x plus 2 and x plus 2 cancels out, so we have b times x plus 1, right? So we have 3x plus 5 equals ax plus 2a plus bx plus b, or ax plus bx is a plus bx plus 2a plus b, 2a plus b. So we have 3 is a plus b and 5 is 2a plus b, right? Because 3 is the coefficient of x in the first side and a plus b is the coefficient of x in the second side. So 3 is a plus b and 5 is constant and 2a plus b is constant. So 2a plus b is 5. So a is 2 and b is 1, right? So the integral of 3x plus 5 over x plus 1 times x plus 2 dx equals the integral of 2 over x plus 1 dx plus the integral of 1 over x plus 2 dx. And as you know, dx over x plus 1 is ln of the absolute value of x plus 1. So we have 2 times ln of the absolute value of x plus 1 plus dx over x plus 2 is ln of the absolute value of x plus 2. Because, for example, the integral of 1 over x plus 2 dx, if x plus 2 is u, and if we take the derivative of both sides, we have dx is du, right? So the integral becomes 1 dx is du over x plus 2 is u. So we have ln of the absolute value of u, or ln of the absolute value of x plus 2 plus c. Right? Number 3, the integral of 2x plus 1 over x times x minus 3 dx. So we have 2x plus 1 over x times x minus 3 is a over x plus b over x minus 3. Now multiply by x times x minus 3 and removes the denominators. So we have 2x plus 1 equals a times x minus 3 over x plus b times x minus 3 over x minus 3, right? So we have 2x plus 1 equals x and x cancels out, and we have a times x minus 3 plus b times x, because x minus 3 cancels out, right? So we have ax minus 3a plus bx, right? So 2x plus 1 equals a plus b times x minus 3a. Look at this equation. A plus b is 2 and negative 3a is 1, right? So a plus b is 2 and negative 3a is 1. So a is negative 1 over 3. So negative 1 over 3 plus b is 2. So b is 7 over 3. Right? So the integral of 2x plus 1 over x times x minus 3 dx equals the integral of, look at this, a over x plus b over x minus 3. The integral of a over x. A is negative 1 over 3 over x dx plus the integral of 7 over 3 over x minus 3 dx, right? So we have negative 1 over 3. The integral of dx over x is ln of the absolute value of x plus 7 over 3 ln of the absolute value of x minus 3. But don't worry, in the next video I'll solve more examples on this topic. See you soon.